Okay, guys, the first few problem we are doing now, they are easy problems. So, uh, okay, as we go further, they'll get a little difficult. So don't lose your patience. Don't feel it too easy and you don't need to do or something. Okay, we'll start with it. Guys, I'll give you a few minutes for every problem to try. If you don't get it, then I'll do it after 2-3 minutes. Okay, so these are all mixed problems. These are the problems from all the chapters, not pertaining any particular chapter. Guys, also do not copy down the questions. Huh? I will send you this PDF. So you don't copy questions, you only do the solving part. Shwani, you will try the first one and give me the answer. Others, guys, just solve and keep. Huh? Don't give out the answer. Let Shwani give out the answer. Gurshin,
Yes, sir.
guys, those who I cannot see, I'll remove from the meeting. I don't want people to attend without camera. If you don't attend, it's fine, but not without camera.
So just 2 minutes.
Sasha, I'll do it for you. Uh, See, we are given the mass of a bucket and water together is 6 kg. So what will be the load is equal to mass into gravity. 6 into 10, 60 Newton. Force applied by the woman. What is the force applied by the woman? Basically the effort. So effort is equal to 80 Newton. Shashwat, what is the formula for mechanical advantage?
Load by effort.
Correct, very good. Load upon effort. So load is 60, effort is 80. Shwani, what answer you got?
Got 1.34.
1.34.
0.75, no?
Even I'm getting that only. 0.75. Shwani, see what cancel 0, 0. 2 3s are and 2 4s are. 3 4.
Yeah, I took it as 4
4
by
by
3.
3. Guys, all these sums are from the textbook only. Though these are taken from different school prelim papers. I've taken it from different prelim papers, but all of these are. The first one was a textbook question. Even the second one is. Alishka, you'll give the next answer. Lavanya.
Yes, sir.
You got this?
I think so.
Last time.
First physics?
Okay, guys, I'll answer the second one. Who got second? Advika. Alishka did not get second.
Sir, I got 3 into 10 raised to 8.
Correct, very good.
And the second part would be
What was the second part?
air, right?
Air, not vacuum. Guys, remember, air is the only answer. Guys, those who did not get, look here. So, frequency is equal to 500 megahertz. Convert megahertz into hertz. What will it be? 500 into 10 raised to 6 hertz. Then the wavelength. What is wavelength is equal to? 60 centimeter. 0.6 meter. Then what is the formula? Velocity, frequency into wavelength. 500 into 10 raised to 6 into wavelength is 0.6. She understood how? 300 into 10 raised to 6.
Yeah. You shift the decimals, you get 10 raised to 8.
Yeah, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Guys, you know why we cannot write vacuum here, right? Because vacuum is not a medium only, Anvi. So this is your final answer. PP, try this. Name the physical quantity that is measured in kWh. Okay, those whose cameras are off, they'll go out. Huh? Few kids are already out. Fourth time I'm repeating. You guys, who can answer? kWh, Shwani?
Energy.
Energy. I think we should write electrical energy, not just energy. Electrical energy. What about volt per ampere? This is which quantity?
Resistance.
Volt per ampere will be power. No. Who answered resistance?
Resistance.
Yeah. Who was that? Lavanya?
No, sir.
Kripa.
Yeah, correct. Guys, you know how? See, what is the formula? V is equal to IR. R is equal to V upon I. What's the unit of potential difference V? Unit of current is A. So it'll be resistance. Then guys, now next one. How much work is done by a man on a box of mass 20 kg? So mass is given 20 kg. He is running. Speed is given. Guys, for the first part, Navya, you can try this. Yeah, this is also from the textbook. For the first part, we can do what? What will be work equal to kinetic energy basically because the person is running. Navya, what's the formula for kinetic energy? Shah?
Half mv square.
Half MV.
Half mv squared, yeah. Guys, substitute and solve it now.
So 90.
Then try second part also same way. Guys, this time he raises the box. So what kind of energy?
Potential.
Exactly.
Gravitational potential.
Yeah. What's the formula for gravitational? Again, work is equal to the change in the potential energy, gravitational potential, which is mgh. So the mass is 20. gravity is 10 and the height is 0.5 meters. So that will be 100 joule. Done, everyone? Bende झालं तुमचं? Okay. Okay, guys, next one. Thales, you can try this and give me the answer. Electricity problem.
So those type of problems we can't solve using F cos theta d, right?
This one?
Yeah. We'll have to solve it using work power energy.
Yeah. But how will you do Fs cos theta here?
That's
Will not
not
work. Because it's not at an inclined plane, na, Samar? Like at a force is not at an angle. Unadka,
Yes, sir.
where are you? दिख ही नहीं रहा तुम. You are there, na? You'll give your maid and ask her to sit for the class otherwise.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
You're behind the curtain or?
No, sir.
Achha, before the curtain. Okay. Avnish, you know how to do this? The resistance is 36 ohm and it is cut into 3 equal pieces. Na? Because they're in equal pieces, R1, R2, R3, the 3 pieces will have how much resistance? 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12 ohm. How will you arrange them to get an equivalent resistance of half its original value? So what should be your equivalent resistance? How much do you want it to be?
18, right?
Yeah,
18.
you want it to be 18 ohm, correct? Because half of original. Now arrange these resistors to get 18 ohm.
So 2 in parallel and then 1 in series.
Yeah. Right, so we'll actually these are only standard form. I think in every problem these only comes the arrangement. Whatever problems they've given now. So you'll have R1 here, R2 here. Guys, you have to also solve and show it to them that it comes to 18. You cannot just draw and leave it. Right.
So if both of them are in parallel and then one is in series, won't the answer come to 12 point something?
No. So what we'll do first, Ashi, first you calculate the resistance of these two in parallel.
Yeah,
How much is that coming into?
1/6.
So RP is equal to 6. Now then 1 upon RP is 6. So
Okay.
RP is equal to
Okay.
6.
Yeah. Sorry.
Then 6 plus 12. It should come
6
to
plus
18.
12, 18.
Shwani got na this also. Everybody's done, guys. Electricity problem. Advika, right? You're done. Okay, guys, try this now. Actually, you try and give me the answer. You try first. Those who have cameras are off, they might go out of the meeting. I'm telling you again. This, I think, fifth or sixth time. Unadkat, you are there still? Okay, somebody can call up Unadkat.
Yes, I'm there.
अच्छा तुम दिखता ही नहीं है. How to know? Anika, you can give the answer. Ashi.
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
1.6 meter.
1.6. Yeah, correct. Right, so basically appears to be seen at a depth of, this is your apparent depth, right? Correct, na, Ashi?
Yeah, apparent depth, and then mu will be 4/3, so mu equals to RD upon AD.
Yeah, correct. This was not the shift. Risha, you got? Okay, guys, this is the tough one. Very few will get this. Guys, 2 minutes, so we'll have to convert into seconds. 120. Kripa, you can give this answer. Bhavani, solving or not?
Yes, sir. I'm just converting it into meter per second.
Arey, why did you give out that answer? Okay, guys, you have to convert into meter per second. That was the catch. 36 into 5 upon 18
10,
meter per second. That will come to 10 meter per second. So then you find out V also. Now, what is final velocity?
20 meter per second.
20 meter per second.
Then acceleration.
Yes. But we don't need to do acceleration. No? We can do without acceleration.
We can do with also now.
But then you see the second part. What are they asking you? They're asking you to name the scientific principle that you use to arrive at your answer. Remember what is this? Guys, see. Should I give the anybody knows which principle is involved here?
Work energy theory.
Exactly, yeah. So we'll write that work is equal to the change in the kinetic energy, which is half m v squared minus u squared is equal to half m in brackets v squared minus u squared. So 500 into 300, 1,50,000 joule. And guys, what's the answer for that work energy theorem? Very important, guys. Usually always one question comes on this. Something will come on this work energy theorem concept. Now, we don't want explanation for this graph. I just want what will be the angle of minimum deviation. Anvi, you can give the answer.
Is it 40?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, 40 degree. Is anyone having doubt in this? How? Done? I'll go ahead, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir, shouldn't it be 50 degrees?
What will be the angle of minimum deviation? Na? Delta minimum, na, we have to find. So delta minimum will be here, right? This is the angle of delta, na? Like deviation is here, na?
So the angle of incidence which will give you that will be 50 degrees.
Maybe 50 degree. We don't know because we don't know if this is a midpoint, na? Samar. Guys, here now sound. If anybody's having doubts, something, speak up. Then you know this.
Yes, sir. Velocity is 330 and um, the distance between the two hills is 198 plus 66. So,
Achha, okay, 66 is not the total distance.
yeah, not the total distance.
And it's for total area.
260.
So you are standing here, and this distance is given as 66 meter between two cliffs X and Y. So these are cliff X He's a cliff Y. He fires a gun and he has two sounds at 0.4 and 1.2. There's a mistake in the question, actually. Ryan, how do you know कि 66 meter के लिए 0.4 second है?
Oh,
अच्छा, because they said
We
X
just take
and
that, assume that, yeah.
it hits it.
nothing, because we are just taking that order, like 66 meter from X, so the time must be 0.4 and 1.2. What I mean, like it could have been like 0.4 here and 1.2 here, like maybe, no? But okay, we'll do, so time is equal to 0.4 second, and then you find out the V. Then what's the formula for V equal to 2D upon T? Solve it. What was this answer, Ryan?
Meter per second.
नहीं कितना 330 ना? Now we have to find guys second distance now here. So D is equal to question mark. Time is 1.2 second, and velocity will be the same what you got earlier, 330. Again use the formula D is equal to VT by 2.
So can we take overall time as 1.6 and then solve?
You will get the correct answer, but don't do that, Binde. School will not accept those methods. That's why.
Okay, I've solved using both methods.
330 into 1.2 upon 2. Binde कितने है answer? Distance कितने है?
264. The overall is 264. This is 190.
198 meter. So the distance between two cliffs, so total distance 19. Binde कितना है? 294. No,
264.
264 meter. 264 meter, and speed was 330 meter per second. Gurshin done? I'll wait.
No, done, sir.
Okay, guys, a favorite topic now. I wait for a few minutes. I'll let everyone try on their own this time. Wow.
RP will be 2, right? Six. Is it correct?
Correct. That's what I'm writing.
Okay.
1.2.
For an is the voltage around the cell terminals 7.2?
I don't know. एक minute, I think it is Ryan, but wait, don't give the answer. I think it is 7.2 only, but yes. Yeah, what is my potential difference between the terminals? It means terminal voltage. I into big R. I is how much? 1.2. Big R is how much? 6. Voltage drop means you all know, right? What it means? Small v. Okay, who can give answer for small v? Hales?
Yeah, I got 1.8 volt.
1.8.
Raghav, you're solving or no? EMF minus PV. Answer is there. EMF is 9. PV is 7.2. Okay, you'll always have one this kind of a question, like a 4 mark question. In your prelims, in your board paper, everywhere. Anyone needs it? Anvi, you want it? Or done? Okay. Be also tough one, guys. Yeah, should I do this?
Oh no, sir, one second.
Sir, can you do it? I didn't get it.
Okay. See,
So we use MC delta T is equal to MC delta T plus MC delta T. No?
I think IC is not involved here. So this is the table one. Now we have to make a table of M, T1, T2, delta T, and C. So you've got a solid whose mass is given 150 gram and it is at 100 degrees centigrade. It's dropped into 250 gram of water in a copper vessel of mass 120 gram at 10 degrees centigrade. If the resultant temperature of the mixture is 20 degree. Resultant temperature means what? Final temperature is 20 degree for all of them. Because final temperature is always same for all the liquids. Yes, out here, Thavani, who's losing the heat? So the solid will lose the heat, correct? Guys, clear, na? The solid will lose the heat, and who's absorbing the heat? Water and the copper, both together. And what about the initial temperature of water? How much will that be, guys? 10 degree. Because initial temperature of water and copper will be the same. Because like in a copper vessel, you've got water. So they'll be at the same temperature. Now write delta T for all of them. 80 degree, 10 degree, and 10 degree. Specific heat of water is given 4.2. Copper is given 0.4. And you have to find specific heat of solid. Just remember, in all these problems, you'll have to always write according to principle of mixtures, heat loss by solid is equal to heat gain by water and the copper vessel. I'm writing it directly now here that MC delta T of solid is equal to MC delta T of water plus MC delta T of copper. Now what is MC delta T of water? So it will be 250 into 4.2 into delta T is 10 plus copper is 120 into C is 0.4 into delta T is 10. Solid is 150 into C into delta T is what? 80. Then cancel 10, 10, 10, 10. What else we can cancel, guys? Remove a 0, 0, and a 0. And we can also reduce further. 2 2s are, 2 21s are, 2 4s are. Tough calculation. Guys, try not to use a calculator. 600x. Alishka, do it yourself only.
Sir, why do you use 20 degrees as the 10 degrees as the final temperature of water? Because they've said 20
No, I have
10
used 10 degree as the final temperature of water, na, Alishka.
but they've said that is of the copper thing, na?
See, initially what happens now, let's say you have a copper vessel. The copper vessel contains what, Alishka? Water. Correct? So initially, if copper vessel is at 10 degree, even the water must be at 10 degree. Na? Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
25 ones are 25, 25 to the 50, 5 to 5 plus 24. 5, 4, 9. Five, 4, 9
0.915.
divided by 600. You'll go in 3. It'll be easy then, huh? 3 180, 3s are. 200s are. Thavani? 291.5s are. So it is coming 0.915 joule per gram per Kelvin or per degree centigrade, doesn't matter.
I got that as an answer. Sir.
If you want to round off, then 0.92. Now, these are also 4-mark problems. See, section 2. Again, one numerical of calorimetry is obvious. Like every paper will have it. They will.
So it doesn't matter even for a joule per gram per degree Celsius, right?
That doesn't matter. It's the same thing only. Everyone's done? Put up done? Try this. Google got the answer.
Also, is it 20 meter per second?
I don't know the answer yet, but anybody's got the answer. Okay, check Lavanya.
I got
Basically, so the ball is falling of mass 200 gram is dropped from a height of 20 meter. So out here we know that the initial potential energy will be equal to the final kinetic energy. According to what? Law of conservation of which law is it, Lavanya? Law of conservation of?
Energy, right?
No, mechanical energy.
Acha.
Now what is initial P? So it will be mgh. Final K will be what? Half mv squared. Cancel m and m. And put the rest of the values. Gravity is 10. Height is 20. Is equal to half into v squared. It's coming 20. You said 10, na? Lavanya,
Yes, sir.
you got 10 or 20?
I got 20.
Acha, okay, correct. And what will be the total energy when it's halfway down?
MGH, no, we can directly use.
So,
20,000.
yeah, that's wrong. Total energy is equal to initial potential energy, Lavanya.
But so halfway down now.
So, halfway down also the total energy is equal to what? Initial, na? It's basically
Acha,
mechanical
oh
energy.
right. Sorry. I was thinking of height by 2.
But there also, you know, what is the mistake you did? 200 upon 1000 you did not do. Gram to kg.
Acha, okay.
10 and height is how much? 20. Harshal, what is the answer?
So it's 40.
40 Joule. Everybody got same? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 40 only. Who all had got this sum on their own only, for including total energy? Okay. Okay. Guys, try the next one now. Knife problems. Balancing the meter scale. You'll try. I'll discuss this problem after 3 minutes. So I'll try till then first. So Ashwat, pay attention.
I'm getting 7.5.
7.5. 7.5 क्या है?
Even I got 7.5. So
No, but on the which side? Like right side, left side,
Sir, right side.
right side.
right side. ना एक मिनट, ये कितना है? 15 GF. We have to put an extra weight of 100 GF to balance. So obviously it should be on the right side to balance it.
So the 50-gram force, shouldn't it be on 60?
50 gram
No,
force.
it's the weight of the scale, so it has to be
Center of
on the
gravity.
middle mark.
No, हाँ, it is weight of the scale, so it is correct only from 50 only. This is correct. So Riyans, this distance is how much? 10. फिर ये distance कितना होगा? 50. Let this distance be what? X. And now you have to apply principle of moments. And here also you have to write the statement in the exam. Tell you what is the statement, you know? The sum of the clockwise moments
Equals to anti-clockwise movement.
is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moments in equilibrium, according to principle of moments. Okay. So what are the sum of clockwise moments? It will be 100 into x. What are anti-clockwise moments? 15 GF into 50 plus 50 GF into 10. And I think then calculations are easy only here. Iman, you know how to calculate, right? 15 5 are 750
Yes, sir.
plus 500. 1250 equal to 100x. X is equal to 12.50 gram force.
Centimeter.
The
Centimeter.
CM, right?
Acha, centimeter, na? So we should write it as 12.50 centimeter from the fulcrum on the right. That is what we should write. Or we should write, or we can write what?
Can you
72.5.
72.5
Even
72.5.
72.5.
Yeah, so say that only. 72.5 I think is rather better. Okay, why is the box not happening? Yeah. Try it, you guys now. One more problem of meter scale. Guys, don't give the answer. No. Wait for others. Again, I'll give after 3-4 minutes. I'll draw the diagram. Again, some of these also always there in the paper. Shifa, you give all these answers finally when you get. I'll give you all a hint if you all want. Look.
One 175. That's the weight.
170.
5.
Yes, sir, I'm getting 175.
She got 179, na?
5.
175.
Acha. 175. This is 95 mark.
So I got 70.
हाँ मुझे भी वही लग रहा है. Weight of 50 GF at the 40 centimeter mark. So this is 50 GF at 40 centimeter mark. 200 GF at the 95 centimeter mark. Calculate the weight of the meter rule. It should be X. This is 25. This is 20. And this is 30. So then 50 into 30 plus X into 20. 200 into 25. No, Telly, see 1500. Telly, you got this much?
No, I took the distance as 50 by mistake. That's why.
So 20x is coming 3500. Yeah, okay, 175 only. Yeah. 175 gram force. We will do 2-3 more problems, then we'll stop. Very understood now how to do this one now.
Yeah, sure.
Anybody have doubt in this one? Pura? Ashi? Trisha, you want it or you're done? With some?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sankhulkar, you also done? Alisha?
Sorry, I got it. Yeah, what did you say?
Acha. Okay. Let's try this one. Advika Rai, you give out these answer now. The fish one. Okay, I'll tell you what you have to find. I think they missed out on writing what is to be found. We have to find the real depth. Real depth is question mark.
So real depth is 24 centimeter.
Is it? Anybody else got it?
Same,
Yeah,
I got
I
it
got
24
24.
also.
Yeah, 24.
Guys, only catch was what, this time. It was given as what? Raised by 6 centimeter means what is it, Advika?
Shift.
Apparent depth is x minus 6.
Yeah, shift is given as 6 centimeter. Now let the RD be equal to X. So apparent depth becomes RD minus shift. And then guys, again the same formula, RD upon AD. Jagar, you are very jaggy.
I don't know, sir.
Acha. Okay, guys, try this one. Angel, you give this answer.
Yeah, sir.
Where we apply आले some?
No, sir, I'm solving.
Arjun, you got?
No, sir, I'm still solving. Sir, is it 48?
Uh, I don't know. Anybody got it? Okay, guys. What's the answer? Everybody got 48. Anybody else got?
Yes, sir, I got 48.
Correct. And the second answer
So remains the same.
remains the same. So 1.73 into 10 raised to minus 8. So many of you have not got this sum, but
But
nobody is
sir,
asking.
we had to find the ratio. So because it's given compare. So it should be 1:4 and 1:1, na?
Correct. So this will be G about 1:48, right?
No,
1:4.
1:4.
And this was
1:1.
One sec, anybody wants to know how to get 48 ohm, first of all?
Yeah, sir, can you please explain that part?
Yes, sir.
See, R1 is equal to 12 ohm and R2 we don't know how much. Let the length of this be what? Original length be L. What be the new length? Stretch to double, na? So 2L. Then area of the first one is A. So what will be the area of the second one? A upon 2 because you stretch the wire. Do you remember this concept? Area and length are inversely proportional, guys. Then use formula R1 1 upon L1 is equal to R2 A2 upon L2. Okay, guys, so R1 A1 upon L1 is equal to R2 A2 upon L2. And then substitute in that formula and try.
Sir,
Huh.
Prabhav said he had gone to the bathroom. He just messaged me to ask you to let him in.
He's not there only in the meeting, so how will I take him? Tell he's not logged in only.
Oh, okay.
Got everyone, guys? Angel?
Yeah, sir, I only gave the answer.
Acha, I thought it was Bhairavi. Okay, guys, try this. Machines now. Bhairavi, what, can you give me what class of lever is it, first of all?
So class 3.
Yeah, Bhairavi bolta to bhi tum hi bolte Aditya. Class 3. Bhairavi, example of this class of lever.
So lemon squeezer.
Lemon squeezer is not class 3. Okay, Aditya, back to you only finally.
So short or.
Yeah, तुम सिर्फ सिंपल वाला बोलो ना, tongs. I remember ice tong, sugar tong, fire tongs, lemon tong. All of them are class 3 lever. Okay, and then try the minimum effort required to lift the load. So F is equal to 10. AB is equal to 500. I hope you all can see in the picture, right, where the effort is and load and all is. Okay, look at this picture. According to this picture, what is effort arm equal to?
AF.
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter.
Yeah, 10 centimeter.
How much is load arm equal to?
510.
510, correct. And anything else is given or what? Load is given, na 50 Newton. So remember which formula you have to use now, guys, out here. There are two ways we can do. One of the formula was principle of moments. La 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 E. Remember this? Load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. Load is 50, load arm is 510. Effort we don't know, and effort arm is 10. 2550 Newton.
So load arm is 500.
Load arm is how? 500. Load arm will be, how much you are saying load arm is?
AB is 500, no?
A to B is,
But
A to B is,
Oh, okay, yeah, my bad.
we have to take from fulcrum, na, Sean?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yeah. So I think 2550 is correct. Maybe textbook problem ही actually, same number. Okay, then next. B. Emmanuel, you give this answer. Havani.
So do you have to convert the kgs to grams?
You don't need to. She also know this. She was there sometime.
Sir, I'm here. Hello.
I don't see you.
Now.
Now I see you. Who's doing this sum? How?
So I did that. Do you do?
Havani, just tell me, you have to find what? Heat, right?
Yeah, so MC delta T.
MC delta T, but we don't have specific heat. Now, what is the formula? Any formula you know of thermal capacity? Thermal capacity means C dash. What is the formula of C dash?
MC, I think.
C.
M into C, but we don't have C also, so we can't use this formula.
But you do C dash by M for C, right?
But we don't have C only, na? Acha, okay.
But
But
MC
we
is
want to
already
find out.
given, na?
C dash
But
and
we have to find out Q, na, guys. We have to find out
So do you
Q.
do Q is equal to ML or something?
But we don't do ML because there is no latent heat involved here. Okay, I'll tell you what we have to do. There is a formula that C dash is also equal to Q upon delta T. I don't know if you remember this. Now, what is Q? We don't know. What is delta T? 15. What is C dash? 966. So Q is equal to 966 into 15.
So we got on the MC delta T formula also. MC is already given with heat capacity and then into delta T.
That also you could do.
Here only, हाँ.
अरे but उससे अच्छा डायरेक्ट फिर वही करो ना C dash is Q upon delta T like.
Okay, sir.
You can do that. Obviously, if it doesn't click you, then you just do like Q equal to MC delta T, M into C, C dash. So I just wrote the formula on it directly. Like I directly wrote this form only here.
Yes, yes.
Answer किसका है? I think 14490 or something was the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Correct, no? 14490 Joule. Okay. Guys, we'll close after this sum. And all those who've recorded, please send me the recording. After 10-15 minutes, once it gets like downloaded or something.